Hey, it's Lenka. I'm so glad you're here. I really wanted to thank you for all the awesome comments under the video, the little ball prank. And now I'll give you the results of the Caveman contest. The question turned out to be difficult for you, and a lot of you left comments saying things like basketball and the javelin throw. Well,
Running.
Yes.
There were a lot of different answers.
But the correct answer is soccer. The first six won. The first six won.
People who answered.
Who gave the correct answer?
And they were Amelka Opit.
Yes, Amelka, a big shout out to you, and congratulations, you did it.
Exactly. Daria Wator.
Daria, congratulations to you too, you did it, awesome.
Laura Szczęsna.
Laura too. Huge congratulations to you. I think you'll like the movie.
Jola Kita.
Jola, congratulations to you too. And will you like the movie too?
Maja Lepek.
Maya, congratulations to you too. We'll see if you like the movie.
And Panda Kawaii.
And Panda Kawaii, huge congratulations to you too. We'll see if you like this movie. Congratulations.
Yes, and I've already sent a message to those people that they've won. And we asked them to get in touch. Amelka has already received her tickets.
Oh!
Mom replied quickly and has already received the tickets. Yes, exactly. Because there was still a surprise for those people because they got one ticket, which was mentioned. And the surprise was that they received a second ticket as well.
Oh!
Everyone got 2 tickets, not just one, so a parent or guardian could accompany them.
Yes.
A small child can't go to the cinema alone.
Exactly.
Okay, and we asked the rest to contact us soon.
Yes.
Reply, everything is written exactly in the comment, and if you can't find that comment, contact us, send us a private message.
Yes. And now I invite you to watch a video with the parrot, which was recorded a long time ago.
Exactly, but there were a lot of other videos before, but now we're playing it.
Yes.
Lenka at the Parrot house with her friend Iga in Warsaw.
Yes.
Okay. Oh no, the eraser is silver.
Hey, it's Lenka. I'm so glad you're here. Today, together with Iga and Marcelek, we're taking you to the Parrot house.
Exactly.
Where are the parrots, Marcelek?
I see colors wherever we go. True colors. You know.
Come on.
Okay.
All right, give it to Lenka and let's go.
Where are we right now? Lenka, where are you? Hi, Lenka.
Oh, we're here already.
Just hold on tight. And maybe hold it in your hands like this, right?
Come on, Marcelek, you'll see.
Marcelek, do you love parrots?
There are parrots!
Shall we go further?
Such a big one over there.
There you see, there's a small colorful one.
And here there's a red one.
There's the big one over there.
We're going over there to the red one?
Look how big it is.
What huge parrots? This one is pretty, isn't it, Lenka?
Should I give her something?
Here, a little one. Oh, you can give it to the little one here. A little one. Come over, Lenka, to this little one. Oh. Is that Masik? Oh! She's so eager to eat. Whoa ho ho. She flew over my head. Well, wait, maybe Lenka will come over. She's a little scared. Oh, those are big ones, right, Lenka? Really big. Look on the wall, Lenka, look.
Come on, let's look over there. Oh.
Well, look.
Oh my god.
I'm not afraid.
Gabrynia. Oh, she came in, yeah. Let her in. Don't be afraid, Lenka, don't be afraid. Haha, oh god, look what she's doing. Haha. Oh, she flew off.
How crazy!
Lenka, did you see that? Oh. That parrot fell asleep on you, sir. What?
Here's Pinky, look!
Pinky?
Yes.
She's so cool. What a pretty color, too. Shocking. Lenka.
Lenka, take your food for a moment.
She took it from Marcelek. She took a bit from Marcelek? Great.
Bravo.
Because
Marcel, did she eat from you? Yes? She ate. And now she's eating Lena's food. Now she's eating Lenka's food.
Lencia!
Oh no, the hair tie. The hair tie is silver. Grandma, leave the hair tie for Lencia. Leave the hair tie for Lencia. Ha ha ha. Lenka, what does it feel like?
Yes, it's nice.
Nice. She already passed. Time is passing. She really liked you?
She really liked you.
Yes, she really liked you.
She didn't want to leave you at all.
Look how she's spinning. Lenka, check out her pirouettes. Ha ha! Not bad, right?
Yeah.
She's pretty. What?
Colorful, and you can do this.
I know, they're not colorful because they're so big. Parrots are so cool and funny, right?
No, but the bigger ones just repeat themselves.
Come on, Lenka.
Good parrot, good.
Yes, well, Marcelek fed it too.
Nice. Lenka, she's well behaved, right? Lenka, is she well behaved?
Very well behaved.
Very well behaved.
Come on, let's go. Let's see the next ones.
Marcelek is feeding the parrot too. Great, give it some more.
Give it some more.
Give it some more, yum yum.
Now Marcelek, right?
Gently, Marcelek, gently.
She has to eat well now.
The parrot is a thief. She stole the food. Lenka. Oh. Ooh, these are big. You're not allowed to feed these. Because they might bite. Lenka, should we look for another parakeet now?
Well, actually, we can.
But go ahead, walk with her, go.
Go with her.
Go with her, come on, go. Hold the food and go, come on, let's go there. Come on, Lenka, this way, come on.
And Marcel hid.
Lenka, you're like a pirate.
Yes.
With a parrot. Lenka is a pirate with a parrot.
Well, like a pirate
Come on, Lenka, come on, come on. Lenka, look, they're fighting. They're fighting, yeah. They're fighting. Wow. And Lenka should probably go home with you. Right?
What?
That yellow one will probably go home with you?
No.
She really likes you. Can I pet her?
What?
Yes, you can.
Maybe he's scared, right?
Don't be afraid.
Careful, careful.
Give me a little more. And you? Why do you need this?
Actually, I can pet it there too. I have food, I'll hold it, and you let me pet it.
All right.
No,
Oh.
you can come closer.
This is food.
Yes, go ahead.
But even when she pecks, it's not hard, Lenka.
No, don't worry. Give her your finger. Give her your finger. Oh, see? So gently.
She got so upset.
She is very gentle.
You have the food, Lenka. Hold the food.
Right, that's the main thing. You can't let her go.
Maybe you should pet her on the head too.
Well, but see how nicely she's pecking.
She likes to peck at your finger. You have the food, Lenka. Hold the food. Hold the food. This yellow one is really friendly. Now she's sitting with mommy. Marcelek, hold the food. Hold it, Marcelek. Did he peck it?
Come on, let's go.
Marcelek is feeding nicely. This one is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
This one is friendly. Look,
Marcelek is even feeding it.
even Marcel is feeding it. Wait,
He has to swallow.
hold it gently.
Yes.
Hold it gently.
Yes, you fed the little parakeet. Lenka, do you want more?
Well, go ahead.
No. What will you name her, Lenka?
I don't know.
What should we name her, Lenka?
Sunshine.
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 But she's very nice.
Because she's yellow and nice.
She's very nice.
Well, because some of those parrots are dangerous. Some of them, right, Lenka?
The ones that fight.
The fighting ones, right?
But she says she is,
Aggressive?
aggressive.
No, I don't think so. Look. Because that's not the one. It's a different one. Put your hand under her like that, Lenka, and give her some dry food. With the pink one. We'll see, won't we, Lenka?
Are you afraid of parrots? You're not afraid.
Oh, you see?
She recognized you.
Did you pet her?
Yes.
Oh, here's one like that.
Lenka, look at that big parrot. How big it is, look. It has a nice blue color, that's the one I mean.
But you're not allowed to feed it.
I know, you're not allowed to feed big parrots because they're very dangerous, right?
Yes.
Lenka isn't wearing earrings since parrots like them. And they could tear them off along with her ear. And they also wanted to tear off that hair tie. Right, Lenka?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how it was.
Alright, let's go, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, Lola, the yellow one, she lives for about 12 to 16 years. But she was already well behaved, wasn't she, Lenka? Lucky. Misiek, Maciek, Apollo. 80 years. That's shocking.
Yes. And it's 100 years.
Carmen.
Take a look at Marcel over there.
Just a moment, lives the longest.
Oh, here they are.
Which parrot?
I think it's Jacek.
100 years. And here is the blue-fronted Amazon. It can live a century. Incredible. Pinky can live up to 40 years. Amazing. This white one also lives long.
It will be fine.
Macaws can live up to 80 years. Marcel. Hi, Marcel.
Okay, if you liked it, leave a parrot thumbs up and subscribe. Bye-bye. The parrots are also saying bye.
Exactly.